About how to make money by buying, selling, and creating NFTs. In this video, I'm going to expose to you what is meant by NFT and how you can make money with it. It was Reno Omokri that did a video about 4 years ago about NFT, and I was imagining what is NFT, non-fungible token, what does it mean, what does it mean? Today, I know a lot about it, and I am making money from NFT. And that's why I don't want to make money from NFT alone. I want to open your eyes to what it meant by NFT and how you too can make money from it. Non-fungible tokens called NFTs have taken the digital world by storm, allowing creators, collectors, and investors to buy, sell, and create unique digital assets on blockchain platforms. Digital items range from art and music to collectibles and virtual real estate, offer new ways to generate income. This guide in this video breaks down what NFTs are, how they work, and strategies for making money by buying, selling, and creating NFTs. Now, let me tell you what NFTs are. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, primarily on Ethereum, that represents ownership of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are identical and can be traded at equal value, NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Each NFT contains identifying information that makes it distinct and therefore valuable. What are the ways to make money with NFT? There are many ways. I'm going to tell you a few of them. Number one is by buying and holding NFT. You see, the principle here is that the price of NFT will keep rising. So when you buy and hold for some time, the price will rise and it's going to rise above the price, the current or the future inflation, no matter the locality where you are. So buying and holding NFT is similar to investing in traditional art or collectibles. Buying NFTs at a lower price and holding them for potential appreciation is a popular strategy. This approach relies on selecting high quality NFTs that are likely to increase in value over time. Now, what are the tips to buying and selling NFTs? What it takes is you have to research the creator. Popular artists and brands typically have NFTs that hold or increase their value. Then you have to evaluate rarity and demand. How rare is the NFT? How in demand is the NFT? These are other things you need to find out. Then you have to monitor marketplaces. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation showcase a wide range of NFTs available for purchase. Now, the next way you can make money from NFTs is by flipping NFTs. NFT flipping involves buying digital assets at a low price and selling them at a high price for a profit. The key to a successful flipping is timing and understanding market trends. How then do you take advantage of this, of the flipping? You have to stay updated on drops. Many NFT creators release collectibles in drops, and being among the first to purchase can lead to significant profits. Look for trending collectibles collections. Follow NFT trends on Twitter, Discord, and NFT news sites to identify in-demand collectibles early, in-demand collections early. You can also follow them on LinkedIn and even on Instagram and even on TikTok. Creating and selling NFTs is another way to make money. Digital creators, including artists, musicians, and writers, can create NFTs of their work and sell them directly to collectors, earning money without intermediaries. And how do you start that? Number one, you have to choose a blockchain and platform. Ethereum is the most common blockchain for NFTs, but options like Polygon, Binance, Smart Chain, and Solana are also growing. Platforms like OpenSea, Mintable, and Rarity allow creators to mint NFTs. Then the next thing you need to do is to mint your NFT. Upload your work, set a price, and pay a minting fee to list it as an NFT. Then after you have listed it, you have to promote your work. Use social media and communities to attract buyers to your listings. You can also pay content creators like myself to help you promote your NFT, and that is going to create some awareness. And you can even do a promotion around that. That will make people to be more and more aware and to be able to buy your NFT. Then earning royalties. That is another way to earn and make money from NFT. NFT creators can set up smart contracts to earn royalties, either time every time their NFTs are resold. This recurring revenue stream ensures that creators benefit from the increased value of their work over time. For example, if you set a royalty rate of 10% on your NFT, you receive 10% of each sale price whenever the NFT changes hands in the future. Then there's also another way to make money with NFT is play to earn NFTs in gaming. Some games allow players to earn in-game NFTs and sell them on secondary markets for real money. Play-to-earn models are especially popular in blockchain-based games like Azie, Infinity, and the Sandbox. How does this work? Players earn or purchase unique NFTs such as characters, items, or virtual land, which can be sold or traded. Risk and considerations. While NFTs present exciting opportunities, there are risks involved. Market volatility is the first one. The NFT market is highly speculative, with prices fluctuating based on trends and demand. Environmental impact. Ethereum's blockchain, which powers most NFTs, consumes significant energy. However, eco-friendlier blockchains like Solana are gaining popularity. Intellectual property. Ensure you have the rights to the work you are minting as NFTs. Otherwise, you may face legal issues. So, this is all I am going to tell you about how you can make money with NFT. So, follow these steps I've made known here, and in a short while, you are going to be smiling to the bank like myself. So, this is how to make money by buying, selling, and creating NFTs. And this is how NFTs work. And I believe that you have understood it and you are going to take action about it. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Dr. Olubenga Titun is my name, and on this channel, I bring you content on how to make money online and offline. I make a boast that if you follow my channel for 6 months without fail, taking different videos daily, your life is going to improve, going to get better. If your life does not get better after 6 months of coming to this channel, then you should seek alternative YouTube channels, alternative places. Then you should even unsubscribe from this channel if your life does not get better after 6 months of following this channel. I am very sure that this channel is going to do you good. That's why I make this boost. Please keep coming. And what you need to do if you're a first timer today is to like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment and question in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next video, which is very going to be very productive and even much more than this one. This video that is popping up by the side at this time is the next you need to see now. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.